Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make money with AI songs. In order to do so, here we are at distrokid.com. And with DistroKid, you can get your music on a variety of different platforms all at once. There is a minimal subscription fee for DistroKid, but if you want to be able to blast your music out to Spotify, to Amazon Music, to YouTube Music, to a variety of places all at the same time, then DistroKid is the way to go. Otherwise, you always have the option to monetize on certain channels like YouTube, where if you can get up to 1,000 subscribers, then you're able to monetize that way. But if you want to use something like DistroKid, where you can blast out your music to a variety of platforms at the same time, then that is going to be your most reliable way of being able to start making money with AI music. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in My Stylus AI, you can get access to an AI companion for academic document writing. Unlock your writing potential with My Stylus, find relevant sources, effectively manage references, refine with AI editing, and get instant help through AI chat research. Also, if you use promo code SkillcraftAI10, you can get 10% off your subscription. Also, you'd be helping us out, and we would certainly appreciate it.